this material comes with other characteristics which we have to learn about and know about, and we don't want to try everything out ourselves. We had your technicians in-house and testing it, and if we had issues, they came by and they talked to us and we did testings. There's a German team, there's a team from Ghent in Belgium, there was a team from Italy, and where we always had a lot of different salespeople, technical people, and honestly, we don't even buy the material directly from you, we buy them through a German wholesaler. We buy through them, but in the end, the technical part is always directly with Eastman. And it has always been good because there have been fast answers and everything, and the team was here and they helped us here and they come to the shows. And I went to Ghent in the end. We are always happy. We get really full support from Eastman every time we needed something. And they were really accommodating with all their needs, with all our needs to move forward and to change it. And now we will see if the market has completely changed at some point. We are happy to be ready for the change, honestly.